Help me.
Why are you alone?
Help me.
Why?
I need help. Help me.
What happened to you?
I need help.
Just stand up. Easy, easy, stand up. Please stand up. Sorry.
Help me.
Can we go like this? I think this is the don't worry. Get here. What happened to you? How did you get there? What happened to you? Can you please explain to me?
It's a long story. Just help me. I'll give you anything.
I want to listen with those people. I can't take you. My mom and my dad will question me why I bought you food. Sorry.
I don't want to die.
What situation is this? Daniel. Wait. Are you Daniel?
Yeah.
You're wanted.
No.
You're wanted. Oh God, I'm making a criminal since morning. No, I can't help you anymore.
No, I'm not a criminal.
I'm making a criminal since. No, I can't help you again. Sorry. Okay. Just wait a second. Like, maybe a minute. I'll go get medication now. Let me just go and get medication. Please hold on. I'm coming.
Nothing but a tear that's all for breakfast. Watching you pretend you're unaffected. You're pulling our connections, expecting me to let you go, but I won't. No, you don't need my protection, but I'm in love, can't blame me for checking.
Daniel! Daniel! Daniel!